Hi, I'm Johnny, a bilingual cat of Chinese-American heritage, half American shorthair elegance, half Chinese Lihua street wisdom. Together, I make one perfectly qualified Yunnan food inspector. And today, I guide my human, because she clearly has no idea what Yunnan breakfast is capable of. Round 1. Flaky layered bun, po bao, a steamed bun with magical layers that pull apart like soft, feathery ribbons. The dough is folded with oil dough, giving it that signature 1,000-layer texture, delicate, airy, and wildly satisfying. It looks gentle, but the moment you tear it open, your confidence collapses before the layers do. Round 2. Silky tofu rice noodles. Douhua mixian, warm broth, soft tofu curds. Silky noodles, a bowl that pretends to be gentle but actually entrances you. Round 3. Small pot boiling rice noodles. Xiao gu mixian, served still bubbling in a small clay pot with fragrant broth, minced pork, tomatoes, and chives. The aroma hits so hard your brain pauses. Johnny says this mission isn't over. We've only inspected 3 dishes so far. See you in part 2.